Friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. Today I have an amazing remedy for your sagging skin. As you age, you want to remove the wrinkles from the not for the medicines but from the natural remedies. So let's start. Apple cider vinegar for wrinkles. Apple cider vinegar is best for removing wrinkles. How we need to make this paste remedy for our skin. Ingredients: apple cider vinegar, honey, aloe vera gel. Now what we have to make it? How can we make? Take a bowl, mix the vinegar and honey and apply. Don't forget to make diluted mixture of apple cider vinegar. Add to 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water or rose water you can use, and then add 1 tablespoon of honey, and after that add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then mix it, all this mixture. Then apply this on your face and neck and hands. Leave it on the skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Now rinse it off by rubbing with lukewarm water and pat it dry. And after that you have to apply only aloe vera gel on the skin for having softened skin. Apply a moisture that suits your skin type too. How often you should do this? We can do this, we can apply this paste for twice a week, and or that time period when we have the requiring results. How this work? The pH balancing properties of apple cider vinegar along with the healing properties of honey and antioxidant properties of aloe vera gel will make your skin glow with a youthful appearance. Now we are going to make a second remedy that is best for you. Vaseline for wrinkles. The ingredients which we are required are Vaseline or petroleum jelly, lemon juice, and honey. Now take a bowl and 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly into it, and after that 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into it. Then stir it, and after mixing lemon juice and petroleum jelly, then we add aloe vera gel into it. Now make a smooth paste. Now massage for a few minutes so that it is easily absorbed. Leave it overnight. How often we can do this? We can apply this paste every night before going to bed and we'll start noticing results soon. Why this works? Using petroleum jelly for wrinkles and is a remedy loved even by celebrities. It is an occlusive agent, which means that it locks in moisture in the skin. The exact mechanism of how petroleum diminishes prevents wrinkles, and lemon juice that is glowing the skin and also removes dead cells, and aloe vera gel that soften your skin. Caution: do not use this remedy if you have acne prone skin. If you like my video, give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.